What's up, guys? I'm here with my oldest son, Ethan, and we have his 16 Tacoma here, and he got this when he was 16, and now he's caught the Overland fever. So he wants to, we're gonna put a bed rack on it and throw a tent on there so that he can go out and start doing the deal. So what do you think, man? Are you excited?
Yeah, it's about time. I've been looking forward to it for a while, but yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready to get my own.
He's been asking like, hey, when can I go camping? When can I go sleep on my truck? So he's gonna be able to do that up in Oklahoma where he's at school. So yeah, it'll be cool to be able to see him be able to use this thing. So, and then we can all go out together.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, what? I didn't even see it. You actually got it? I thought it was coming into like the 21st.
This is a souped up.
This is, Dad's done a lot of work on it.
It has LED lights. And in the bed there's LEDs. The front has LEDs.
So yes, you do have another big present. Are you shocked?
Yes, very. Oh my. I didn't know I was gonna get this till later.
That's why Joelle gave you that stuff, that opener.
Thank you, Dad.
All right, so we went with the mid-height Cali Raised bed rack. I think it's a 10-inch rack. And then we have the ARB Touring tent on top. And then we're gonna mount the tread boards on this side since the tent opens up on the other. And it fits better over here than on the other side. And then we got one last thing to do is for the fog lights. These are the stock fog lights. And we are going to replace these with the Rigid Industries fog lights that actually came off my Tacoma. Since I put on the new front bumper, these were extra. So we're gonna swap those out as well. So everything's coming along, and this is gonna be, you know, a great addition to this build. All right, so Ethan's truck's ready, and we're taking him over to it so he can see it for the first time. There it is. It's another spot right there.
Oh, sweet.
There it is.
They got the, they take the things off yours? The boards?
Sweet. So what do you think?
I like it. I like the boards.
Yeah.
Looks perfect.
Nice. So just by adding a bed rack and a tent, you know, really opens up your possibilities for weekend adventures. So it's gonna be fun to see where Ethan will go. So we'll see you on the next one.